The store is called Micro Center.
Oh, that?
That. We need this one.
But I remember the name. Red Dragon M607.
So what do you think about your computer parts?
It's good.
It's good?
Yep.
We picked all the parts.
Well, you
Monitor,
did.
CPU, motherboard, case, mouse, keyboard, even a headset, and a mouse pad. Now we're ready to go pay. Great, everything is in the car.
Yep, we got everything.
We good?
Yep.
Okay, let's go.
What do you think is the most fun part?
The most fun part?
What do you think?
I think
Opinion.
turning it on for the first time. Now you can do the peel. Осторожно. Now it's all ready to go. Okay, go ahead and press it.
It's time. Finally.
It's your computer.
I want to install some games.